How to fix social button not showing in TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the issue of social buttons not appearing on your TikTok profile, or you can't link the Instagram and YouTube on your TikTok. First of all, these buttons like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook usually appears under your profile. So if you don't see them, you need to try the simple steps. Go ahead and update your TikTok application. You can do this by going to Play Store or App Store according to your device and then search for a TikTok application. Once you find it, make sure that it's updated with its latest version. So if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on update in order to update it. You can also report the problem to TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Go to your profile, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and go to settings and privacy. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on support, or you can also go to report a problem. Now choose account and profile. Go ahead and choose editing profile under it. After this, from the drop-down menu that appears, select unable to link Instagram accounts to profile. Now select no and then tap on need more help. From this page, you need to simply go ahead and explain your problem in detail and ask them to investigate and resolve the problem. So if you have a screenshot of the issue, you can upload it using the icon and then tap on submit and you'll be done. So that's it. The TikTok support team will investigate the issue, but it may take up to 24 hours for them to respond. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.